This is the story of Joan of Arc. Joan of Arc was a lovely medieval peasant girl. She spent her days in rural France. Bonjour. Dancing, laughing, picking up flowers. Life was great. Until that became boring. At this point, just like every teenage girl, she decided to spend her free time on TikTok and Instagram. No, she didn't. We're in the Middle Ages, you muppet. Well, let's rephrase it. Like every teenage girl, she decided to spend her free time becoming a military commander in full plate armor and defender of France. Alright, so here we are. It is so strange that I'm going to be the one not dressed in medieval attire. There's going to be a change, but yeah.
I'm so excited!
Let's get you in armor. Let's start with the arming doublet.
Say.
Just to make it easier, let's give her a plait or a braid. In 3, 2, 1... Alright, breastplate time! We got a little bit of space here, maybe some mail would have helped. Don't want to make it too heavy. Let's go. Next.
Okay.
Alright, so the arms.
Very oily.
Imagine that you were a salad. Okay.
Oh, yeah, I'm a salad.
You're a salad. Alright, the other arm.
Okay. I feel like a balloon.
Hi.
Hey.
How are you?
Good.
It's massive for you, but... Shoulder time.
Woo! It looks actually really nice.
It does. Alright, so now we've got an interview to Joan of Arc.
Joan of Arc herself.
Joan of Arc herself and the dog. And the other dog will appear in a little bit. So, first time you ever worn a plate armor, right?
Yeah.
What did you think? Yeah, oh, even the dog said yeah.
I know she did, didn't she?
Here she is.
We
what
should
did you
get
think?
like a little costume for her.
We should
like
do
a
a-
little plate armor costume.
We
Oh
should,
my
yeah,
God.
but it would have to be like aluminium, so it's like super light.
No, it would be like plushy, like a little costume.
Oh,
like,
right, yeah, that'd be perfect.
No, it was fun. I mean, it was big
Yeah,
and it was heavy,
yeah.
but I felt very protected. I felt like very like I would dare someone to like mess with me right now, they wouldn't be able to get through.
Joan of Arc, of course, went to several battles, and she was hit by a crossbow bolt, and very likely that the armor saved her life. She did get wounded a little bit.
Well,
but
that's the point of armor, I guess.
yeah, it's the point of armor, yeah.
Yeah.
So, of course, as you were saying, the armor was too big for you, so
Yeah.
that was the main factor. What was the, like, was it your shoulders? Was it...
Yeah, that was pretty much it. It was just it was just shoulders.
Right. And how was it worse when the fold was attached or when the pauldrons, the shoulder plates were attached?
Honestly, probably the fold. The shoulder plates, I mean, I didn't have them on for that long, so I don't know.
Yeah.
But I think the fold really like pulled it down a lot.
And then the arms were a little too long because they were
Yeah.
covering half of your hand.
Yeah, they were a little long, but it was fun. I felt very like...
And could you, but you could bend the arms, right?
Oh yeah, I could bend, no problem. I think it just became an issue when I had the shoulders on
The
too.
pauldrons, yeah.
Yeah, the pauldrons. What's your favorite part of the armor?
The breastplate, probably the best. So when you were only wearing the breastplate,
It was fine.
it was
No,
nice.
oh
wasn't it?
yeah, no problem at all. It's but I feel like if it was like made for me and like tailored for me, it would actually be kind of nice because it's like weighted a little, so it'd be
Right.
like kind of
Right.
comforting a little bit.
Right, and that's the thing, that when you were wearing the breastplate, like in D&D rules, I think you still have trouble with stealth. But
Oh,
if you
yeah.
noticed, it made no sound whatsoever. It's
No.
when the other plates were connected that it started becoming a little noisy.
Yeah, just a regular breastplate, but it doesn't make any noise.
No noise. Yeah, you could totally be stealthy.
For sure.
All right, thank you.
Of course, anytime.
Bye.
Bye. Windy. Oh.
But as we know, unfortunately, it's not a story about Joan of Arc if it doesn't end with a stake. However, if I made this one historically accurate, YouTube would demonetize me. So, stake it is. Damn Burgundians.